we've got a little pipette here. Now this pipette is a 1/2 milliliter, and it comes in handy when you're wet capping your machine at night or whenever you wet cap. It doesn't really matter. It's just, what people do at the end of the day when they're done printing. Now it comes in handy so you don't overflow the capping top or capping station. It's a square pad that usually a print head sits on. So, or it could be a different shape, but the point is that you can utilize this tool to not overflow that area, which will spill all over the place and could cause potential issues. So basically you could put this into a bottle or some type of cup, preferably something brand new in plastic, or something to put your liquid in. Pinch it, and then it'll suck the solution, and then you can pinch it again and push it out. So it's a great tool so that you can put just the right amount of liquid into your capping station. A link to this product is in the description below. If you have any questions, which you probably won't because it's a very simple product, it's not rocket science, but it is a good little useful tool to have. A link to this product is in the description below. Feel free to comment. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel so we can keep providing useful information when available, and that you get notified when that useful information gets uploaded. And make sure that you support us because it helps keep us in business and providing videos that are useful to you. Thank you.